Hello everyone. So we were doing chapter 2 accounting for partnership of class 12. So in this video I will explain you the conditions in which the interest on drawing is to be calculated. So there are 5 conditions. You can see the 5 conditions are written in which the interest can be calculated. So the first condition is when the amount of drawing and the period of drawing is uneven. So when the amount of drawing and period of drawing is uneven, it means that when a person withdraw the amount, when he withdraws any amount for his personal use, suppose A withdraw rupees 6,000 in the month of May, in the month of October and in the month of December. So here the months are given. So it means that when the period of drawing is uneven, different months are given. So in this condition, how the interest is to be calculated? When a person withdraw the amount in the different month, then in that case, how the interest is to be calculated? This is the first condition. Now in the second condition is when drawing is made in the middle of each month. It means that when the person withdraw the amount in the middle of each month, example from January 1 till January 31, in the middle of the month he withdraws the amount. इसके बीच में अगर वो पैसा बिजनेस से निकालता है अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए, जनवरी के महीने के बीच में अगर वो पैसा निकालता है, तो इन दैट कंडीशन हाउ द इंटरेस्ट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड. दिस इज द सेकेंड कंडीशन. Now the third condition is when drawing is made in the first day of each month. So it means that when a person withdraw the amount on the first day of each month, here I have written January 1, February 1 and March 1. So when person withdraws the amount on the first day of each month, अगर वो जनवरी 1 में पैसा निकालता है या फरवरी 1 में या मार्च 1 में, मंथ के स्टार्टिंग में अगर वो पैसा निकालता है फॉर हिज पर्सनल यूज, देन इन दैट कंडीशन हाउ द इंटरेस्ट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड. इस कंडीशन में डिफरेंट मंथ्स आर गिवन. इस कंडीशन में इन द मिडल ऑफ द मंथ, महीने के बीच में अगर पैसा निकालता है पर्सनल यूज के लिए, और यहाँ पे अगर फर्स्ट डे ऑफ ईच मंथ अगर 1 तारीख को वो पैसा निकालता है, सो इस कंडीशन में कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. Now the fourth condition is when drawing is made in the last day of each month. Drawing is made on the last day means when the person withdraw the amount on the last day of each month. मंथ के आखिरी में, महीने के आखिरी में अगर वो पैसा निकालता है, तो उस कंडीशन में कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. सपोज ही विड्रॉ at the end of January 31 or he withdraws in the February 28. If he withdraws at the end of each month, in that condition how the interest will be calculated. The last condition is when drawing is made quarterly. Quarterly means half का half, आधे का आधा. So there are 12 months. 12 का half हो जाएगा 6 months and 6 का half हो जाएगा 3 months. So we will divide it like this. So this period is divided in the 3 months from January to March, January, February, March, and 3 months April, May, June, and this 3 months July, August, and September. And the months, these months are called quarterly. So when the person withdraw the amount within the period of 3 months, after every 3 months when he withdraw the amount, then in such a case how the interest will be calculated. हर 3 महीने में अगर वो पैसा निकालता है, तो इस कंडीशन में कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. So here are the 5 conditions given. Again listen, first condition is that when the person withdraw the amount and the period of amount is given, different months are given in the question, then in such a case how the interest will be calculated. Second, when drawing is made in the middle of each month means अगर महीने के बीच में अगर पैसा निकालता है, तो उस कंडीशन में कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. थर्ड कंडीशन है when he withdraw the amount in the first day of each month. हर महीने की पहली तारीख में अगर पैसा निकालता है अपने पर्सनल खर्च के लिए, तो उस कंडीशन में इंटरेस्ट को कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. फोर्थ कंडीशन है when he withdraws in the last day of each month. हर महीने की आखिरी में अगर वो पर्सनल यूज के लिए पैसा निकालता है, तब इंटरेस्ट को कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, ब्याज कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. एंड द लास्ट कंडीशन इज व्हेन ड्राइंग इज मेड क्वार्टरली. जब वो हर 3 महीने में वो पैसा निकालता है अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए, तो इस कंडीशन में कैसे ड्राइंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग को कैलकुलेट करना है. सो हियर आर द 5 conditions which can be asked in the question, and the first and the second condition I have already explained in the previous video. You can see the link which has been provided in the description box. And the third, in this video we will start with the third condition, that is when the drawing is made in the first day of each month. So one thing more I want to tell you that Whenever in the question third, fourth and fifth condition is given, then in such a case first of all we will find the average. ये conditions अगर दी होती है तो इस condition में सबसे पहले average find करते हैं. Average find करके ही month आएगा. Average कैसे find करना? First day plus last day upon 2. Okay, so in these conditions we have to find the average. So let us start in this video. Let us start the third condition. I will explain you the third condition in this video. So what is the third condition? When the drawing is made on the first day of each month, means when any partners withdraw the amount on the first day of each month, when any person withdraw the money from his business for his personal use on the first day of each month, then in that condition how the interest on drawing will be calculated. मीन्स जब पार्टनर जो है हर महीने की 1 तारीख में अगर पैसा विड्रॉ करता है अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए, देन उस कंडीशन में इंटरेस्ट को कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द थर्ड कंडीशन. I have written one question. A, withdraw. You can see this is an example. This is an example 5 of Shivlal Accountancy book. Here you can see the question. A is a partner in a firm. This is an example 5 in page number 74 of Shivlal Accountancy. A, withdraw rupees 6,000. Interest is charged 10% per annum. Calculate interest on drawing. What does the question means? A, withdraw. A is the name of the person. He withdraw rupees 6,000. He withdraws means ये अपने बिजनेस में से 6,000 रुपीज अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए निकालते हैं. इंटरेस्ट इज चार्ज्ड 10%. and interest on the drawing is charged 10%. He has to pay 10% as interest. उन्हें 10% ब्याज पे करना पड़ेगा. Calculate interest on drawing. So the formula for interest on drawing is amount of the total drawing into rate upon 100 into month upon 12. This is the formula for the calculation of interest on drawing. ये formula use होगा. Okay. So amount of drawing is given 6,000 and rate is given 10%, but the month is not given in this question. कहीं भी month नहीं दिया हुआ है. So what to do? How to calculate the month? So here the condition says when the drawing is made on the first day of each month. हर महीने की पहली तारीख में वो पैसे निकाल रहे हैं. So here how to calculate the month? Let's see. January 1. यहाँ पे हम month लिख लेते हैं पूरे. January 1, Feb 1, March 1, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, so he withdraws. Drawing is made on the first day. हर महीने के पहले दिन पे वो 6,000 रुपीज विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. We all know that interest is charged on drawing for which the amount have been withdrawn. जितने समय के लिए हमने विड्रॉ किया है उतने समय के लिए हमें ब्याज पे करना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव विड्रॉ रुपीज 6,000 ऑन January 1 until December 31st. So what is the period I use this money? अगर मैंने यहाँ पे पैसा निकाला January 1 में पैसा निकाला है 6,000 रुपीज, तो मैं ये 6,000 रुपीज कब यूज करूंगी? What will be the period for which I will use this money? अगर मैंने 1 तारीख में पैसा निकाला है जनवरी में, तो जब मैंने जनवरी में निकाला तो हम यहाँ से काउंट करेंगे टिल दिसंबर तक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it will be the period of 12 months. ये पैसा मैं पूरे 12 months में यूज करूंगी. Okay, so it will be the 12 months. Okay, and if I withdraw the 6,000 in February 1, अगर मैं February 1 में 6,000 रुपीज विड्रॉ करती हूँ, फिर मैं इस मनी को कितने पीरियड के लिए यूज करूंगी, कितने टाइम के लिए मैं इस मनी को यूज करूंगी? जब मैंने February में पैसा लिया है तो ऑब्वियसली February से ही यूज करूंगी. सो फ्रॉम February काउंट टिल December. February से December तक काउंट करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it will be the period of 11 months. Okay, and if I withdrew the amount in March 1 rupees 6,000, अगर मैं 6,000 रुपए March 1 में निकालती हूँ, then I will use this money from March 1 only. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे पैसा लिया है तो मैं यहीं से इस पैसे का यूज करूंगी. So the total period will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will use this money for the 10 months. इस पैसे को मैं 10 महीने तक यूज करूंगी. Okay. In the same way, April 1, May 1, June 1. If I withdraw the 6,000 in the April 1, so it will be the period of 9 months, then it will be the period of 8 months, then 7 months, then 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, 3 months, 2 months and 1 month. Okay, ये समझ में आया? So now we will find the average whenever these conditions are given. This type of questions is given that the drawing is made on the first day or the last day or the middle of the year, whenever middle of the month, whenever this condition is given, in that case we have to find the average. उस condition में हमें average find करना पड़ेगा, average. So how to find the average? To find the average, first period of the month plus last period of the month. First period of the month plus last period of the month upon divided by 2. So why the 2 is divided? Whenever we have to find the average, जब भी average निकालते हैं, so it will be divided by 2. उसको 2 से divide करते हैं. So the first period is of 12 months. यहाँ से अगर हमने पैसा withdraw किया है तो we will count from January till December. यहाँ तक count करेंगे, so it will be the period of 12 months. So first period will be of the 12 months. First period is of 12 months and the last period is of 1 month. And divided by 2. 12 plus 1 13. 13 divided by 2. मेन तो यही कैलकुलेशन है, ये कैलकुलेशन समझ में आया है. अब इसको 13 और 2 को डिवाइड कर दो. 2 6 12, कैरी 1, 2 5 10, 6.5 मंथ. 5 मंथ कहाँ से आया है? इस कैलकुलेशन से आया है. यहाँ पे फिर से दिया है, देखो अगेन लिसन. He has withdraw the amount on the first day of each month. हर महीने की 1 तारीख को वो पैसे निकालता है. अगर वो जनवरी में पैसे निकाला है तो जनवरी 1 से पैसे निकाला तो जनवरी से दिसंबर तक काउंट करेंगे. अगर वो फरवरी में पैसे निकालता है तो फरवरी से दिसंबर तक काउंट करेंगे एंड सो ऑन. ओके, सो वी गॉट 6.5 months. नाउ पुट इट इन दिस फॉर्मूला. अमाउंट ऑफ ड्रॉइंग, ए विथड्रॉ ₹6,000. सो ड्रॉइंग इज गिवन 6,000. And the rate is interest is charged 10% per annum. Interest is given 10%. And the month that we have find 6.5 upon 12. This is the month. Okay, ये समझ में आया? Now solve it. First remove the decimal. ये decimal remove करो and put 1 0 because 1 digit is there after decimal. So put 1 0. Now cancel it. 1 0 1 0 cancel. And this 1 0 this 1 0 cancel. And this 0 and this 0 cancel. Now we can cancel it with the table of 2, 6 tens with the table of 6. 6 tens are 60, 6 twos are 12. Now in the table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So what is remaining? 5 into 65. 5 into 65 is remaining. So multiply it. 5 and 65 को multiply कर दो. 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 6 are 5 6 are 30 and 2. 32. 325 rupees per month. 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 6 are 30 and 2 32. 325 rupees per month. So what is this? ये 325 rupees क्या आया है? This is the interest on drawing. Means he has to pay rupees 325 per month as a interest on drawing. इनको this person has to pay rupees 325. इनको हर महीने 325 rupees ब्याज का पे करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so here we complete this condition and the hope you understood this condition. So in the next video we will meet with the 4th condition. So till then, take care. Goodbye.